Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here. If you're looking for ways to turn your living space into a place you actually love coming home to, you are in the right spot. Let's be honest, apartment living can sometimes feel a little restrictive. Between beige walls you can't paint and floor plans that feel a bit tight, it's easy to settle for functional over beautiful. But your home should be your sanctuary, not just a place where you keep your stuff. Today, we're diving into the top apartment decor ideas to transform your home. From renter-friendly hacks to the design secrets that make a room feel twice its size, we've got some incredible trendy interior design inspiration coming your way. Let's get started. Let's be honest, apartment living can sometimes feel a little restrictive. Between beige walls you can't paint and floor plans that feel a bit tight, it's easy to settle for functional over beautiful. But your home should be your sanctuary, not just a place where you keep your stuff. Today, we're diving into the top apartment decor trends that are transforming small spaces into high-end retreats. From renter-friendly hacks to the design secrets that make a room feel twice its size, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. First up, define your zones. When you're working with a limited footprint, one room often has to do it all. The trick to making it feel organized, and not chaotic, is visual separation. Use area rugs to anchor different rooms within a single space. A plush rug under the sofa says this is the living room, while a sleek runner in the kitchen marks the transition. If you need more privacy, open shelving units are a game changer. They provide storage and divide the room without blocking that precious natural light. If you can't go wide, go up. One of the biggest mistakes people make in apartments is hanging curtains right above the window frame. To instantly make your ceilings feel taller and your room more expensive, hang your curtain rods as close to the ceiling as possible. This draws the eye upward, creating an illusion of height. Pair this with vertical decor, like tall floor lamps or a slim fiddle leaf fig, to keep the energy flowing toward the ceiling. We're moving away from the all-gray everything look. The trend right now? Earth-toned neutrals. Think warm beiges, soft terracottas, and muted sage greens. But here's the secret to making neutrals look high-end: texture. If everything is the same smooth material, it feels flat. Mix a chunky knit throw with a velvet pillow and a wooden coffee table. This layering adds visual weight and makes a rental feel like a custom-designed home. Let's talk about the big light. Most apartments come with those generic, cold overhead fixtures. Our advice? Don't use them. Instead, lean into layered lighting. Use a mix of floor lamps, task lighting for your desk, and ambient LED strips behind the TV or under cabinets. Swapping out a standard light fixture for a statement pendant, and yes, you can take it with you when you move, can completely change the mood of the room after the sun goes down. Finally, let's talk about the permanent-looking changes that aren't actually permanent. Peel and stick is your best friend. From faux marble countertops to trendy subway tile backsplashes, these DIYs are budget-friendly and totally removable. And don't overlook the hardware. Replacing boring kitchen cabinet knobs with matte black or brushed gold handles is a 10-minute task that makes a massive impact. Just keep the old ones in a baggie to swap back before you move out. Transforming your apartment isn't about how many square feet you have, it's about how you use them. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!